everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be this. I just felt like doing a video today. I wanted to record my makeup. This is like basically it's in between like my everyday makeup and my makeup if I'm like going out for a meal or drinks or something, but I can't really be bothered, like, you know, if I'm just going somewhere casual. So I would wear this for every day, but I would also wear this if I was going out for a meal. Today I'm in a rush, so this is basically, I wouldn't even say glam, it's just my makeup that I do when I'm in a rush, but I want to look nice, if that makes sense. So it's super quick, like so quick. So I did this today for you, and I actually forgot one thing. I just realised I forgot to highlight my inner corner. So this is what I actually do. I always have to highlight my inner corner. I thought I didn't look right. Okay, I'm back with the highlighted inner corner. I always forget something. But yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And yeah, keep watching if you want to see how I got this like every day slash evening slash whatever you want it to be makeup vlog. I hope that you enjoy. I'm just beginning by spraying my face with Urban Decay Quick Fix. Then I'm just popping on some foundation. I'm using the Estee Lauder, I think it's a double wear, but it's like the full coverage one. And then bourjous 123 CC cream. The CC cream just adds like a really nice like finish and glow to the skin, and then the Estee Lauder gives you really good coverage. So I'm just blending that out with a Real Techniques foundation brush. And next up, I'm just using this spray from Superdrug to just wet my sponge, and then I just go over my foundation to just blend it in. This is quite an old video, by the way, so I don't actually take my foundation that far under my eyes anymore. But anyway, I'm using this Revolution concealer, and then I'm just popping that in the usual places where people like conceal. So I do it on my chin, on my nose, and then in my under eye area. I did used to do it like up my forehead, but my forehead is quite big, so I basically try to add no light products there. I only contour on my forehead. I'm just popping on some powder now. This is the Rimmel Clear Complexion powder, and then I'm just popping that over where I put down my concealer. And then I'm just switching to a powder brush, and then I just do like a light dusting of that powder all over my face so my foundation lasts. And then I'm using this bareminerals bronzer. It's really nice. It's quite a cool shade, so if you don't have time to contour, then it's absolutely fine to just use this, because it sort of gives like the same effect, but it's a bronzer. So I just pop that down my cheeks, and then I put it on my forehead, of course. Next I'm going to do some contouring. This is a Revolution, I think it's called Iconic Lights and Pro palette. It's only £8 and it's so good. I'm just contouring down my nose as well. I like to do this because I feel like it just helps balance everything out, and then I contour underneath my lip because it gives the illusion of a plumper lip. Next I'm just taking bourjous bronzer, and I'm just popping that in the crease of my eye. I just like the warm shade of this, and bronzers work quite well in the crease. And then I'm just taking this brown from the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette, using the same brush, and we're just using that to kind of deepen the crease a little bit. Then, as you can see, I'm just kind of pinching my brush together, and then I'm just popping that excess like under my eyes, And then I'm doing the same thing with another colour, or that warm colour from the Urban Decay Naked palette. It just makes it a lot easier when you don't have to use a million brushes when you're just doing like an everyday look. Next, I'm just popping on some eyeliner. I am popping that in the waterline and the tight line of my eye, and I just pop it all the way in because I have quite big eyes. So if you have smaller eyes, I would probably recommend just using like a nude one, or even like a brown one maybe, and just not bringing it all the way in, but this works for me. Then I'm using the Essence False Lash Princess Mascara, just popping that on. I think my camera stopped recording here, so I'm just showing you what I did. I used a sleek eyebrow kit, and then this Rimmel Born This Way gel, and then I'm using Gerard Cosmetics Buttercup lipstick. It's a very pale colour, but I really like it. And then I'm just popping on the Dewy Finish Setting Spray from NYX. I just think this gives you a really nice everyday glowy look. And then I also like to finish with MAC Prep and Prime. I just think it makes your makeup look amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.